Just a quick video to show how to install our cup holder stabilizer for your Model 3. Pretty simple. Just open it up. So before you peel off the red tape, go ahead and kind of dry fit it, so just get a feel for it. The objective is to get it obviously in the middle, and when we fit it finally, we're going to push it all the way down, so you can do that with the tape still on, and then you kind of use your thumbs just to kind of get a feel for the shape of it. Make sure that you can that it's centered in the cup holder itself. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out, peel off the red tape, which is probably the most difficult bit of this whole process. Okay, and we're going to take this again, and we're going to, it's obviously going to try and stick, but just use some force, kind of get it into the slot just like that. It takes a little bit of strength, but then when it's in there, that is rock solid, and that's all you have to do. That'll hold all your cups and water bottles and everything else. Thanks for watching.